Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Curious how to turn your images into crisp vectors in Canva? I'll show you how. Click the Create button and select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels, then click Create New Design. Once your canvas opens, navigate to the left panel and select Elements to browse and add design components to your project. In the search bar, type Logo and press Enter to search for graphic elements related to logos. This will display a variety of logo options you can choose and use in your project. Select the design you want to vectorize. Click the Share button at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, choose the Download option. In the File Type settings, select SVG to ensure your design is saved as a vector file. Then, click Download to start. Select SVG as the file type, which is ideal for web design and animation. Once you've made your selection, click the Download button to save the file to your computer for future use. You've learned how to vectorize images in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative design tips.